LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was here, we mentioned we're looking for to put this one in relative to this for one more drop. Okay, as we can see, the price drop. Now we want to see how deep this one can go. We mentioned we're expecting the price to break this low. Then from there, we need to see how deep it can go, whether the price can take 182 or not. Okay, and we mentioned any reversal we can look for buy. Now the question is whether the price can break this low before we get the reversal, or this one can turn to a deeper correction. Okay, anyway, in this case we move to higher time frame. We start with daily chart. All right, as you can see, based on daily chart, we are within this correction. We want to see how deep this one can go, and in this case we move to forward chart. All right, based on forward chart, we mentioned we have this move, the first move, okay, which include 3 waves, and now we are within this correction. We mentioned when the price was within this move, we mentioned we want the price to retest this low before we get the reversal. As you can see, the price drop now, but right now we have this correction. Mostly we can expect the continuation. That's why we mentioned if there is a continuation, we can expect the price to drop to 182. Then from there, any reversal we can look for buy. Okay, anyway, now we want the price to drop and break this correction. Then any reversal from there, whether the price drop to 182 or not, it depends how sharp it can be. Any reversal, we will take the trade for buy. But the first things is we want to see how deep this one can go. Okay, and if we move to 1 hour chart, this is what we have. First of all, whether the price can break this low. After the price broke this low, the low what I'm referring to is 189. Then from there, we want to see how deep and how sharp can go, whether the price can take 182 or not. By the way, after the breakout of this, any reversal, if we get the buy setup, we will take it. And if this one, it couldn't continue and break, maybe this one can turn to a deeper correction. If similar to what it turned to a deeper correction, similar to what I drew here, still we can expect this one to drop. Okay, the only times we can look for buy without breaking this low, if we get any sharp move with a breakout of this top, this correction, then any correction of like above that, we can look for buy. And that buy, when the price come to this top, we start to manage it. Okay, because at that times, which is 206, because at that times we can expect this correction to be turned to a more complex correction. Okay, that's why we wanted the price to give us a breakout of this. Any reversal from there, we can look for buy, because at that times we can consider the correct. This, I mean, the correction we have been looking for is this, and is finished, and we can put this correction relative to this, and this is the last move. Okay. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we just follow the chart. We want to see how deep this one can go, and again, any reversal, at least with a sharp move of flag, we can look for buy. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.